Okay, guys, here's our layout for the kitchen to size and scale. Our refrigerator cabinet, 36-inch wide, which is a standard opening, or 37 inches wide. 72 inches from the floor to the bottom of this cabinet. 3-inch filler or spacer to keep the fridge away for clearance with the handle. Sink, drawer stacks left and right of the sink. Your dishwasher. Let's look at it in this view. Sink cabinet. These cabinets to the left are 27 1/4 wide. And if we look at this drawer for storage space, that is the bottom of the drawer right here. So from the bottom of the drawer to the top of the drawer, you have 10 5/8. And this drawer front is 13 inches, 11 1/4, 6 3/4. So for that top drawer, the depth of the drawer, when you open the drawer, you have 4 3/8. Middle drawer, 9 11/16. So 2 drawer stacks, your sink cabinet, and let me know if you want to do an apron or a farmhouse sink, dishwasher, trash, 2 50-quart containers, another drawer stack. This corner is a Lazy Susan, a good quality Lazy Susan that is reliable and works good. Your range wall, another big cabinet, almost 34 inches to the right of your 30-inch range. Microwave right above that. So the bottom of the microwave is 56 inches off the floor. Cabinet above that. So this would conceal, this goes all the way to the ceiling. So take care of that ducting. There'd be no issue there. This is a glass cabinet. Glass door with a stained interior. Glass door. Stained interior and probably glass shelves. So this cabinet here, which is glass, is 22 inches wide and 18 inches deep. This cabinet between the microwave and this cabinet is 12 inches deep, and the cabinet above the microwave is 16. So if we're looking straight down from the top, this base cabinet's 24 deep. This is your glass cabinet here, which is 18, 12, and then it steps back out to 16. And all these uppers are 12 inches deep. Lazy Susan cabinet. And the way this works is this door is bound together. You can see those hinges. There's hinges right here that hold these two doors together, and then one pair of hinges on the inside of the cabinet. So when this opens up, these doors open up together, and there's a Lazy Susan inside this cabinet. There's other options for corners, but that's where we've landed for right now. Upper doors, so this goes all the way to the ceiling. And this is a fridge leg to enclose the right side of the refrigerator. All right, let me know what you think. Thanks, guys.